Now let's briefly talk about these wire nuts. What type of wire nuts are you going to use? Now these, I just put those on there. Those are little wire nuts that I usually use inside the house for small stranded wire and stuff. I just did that because that's where that light fixture used to be. I chopped the wires off, and I thought when this system goes on, this is going to be hot even though it's in low voltage. I thought I'd just put some wire nuts on. And then when I re-tapped in where I cut the wires off, because that went in over here, I just I put little wire nuts on there and put some electrical tape on there. Okay, but you see these have been here for 25 years. This is how they installed the initial ones years ago. It just looks like a regular wire nut, doesn't it? And then they put electrical tape over it, buried it. It's been good for 25 years. See here's some other ones. Because I was looking online, and they were saying, oh, make sure you put a weatherproof box over it and stuff, and you can buy them separately and blah blah blah. Well, they didn't do anything like that here. They just ran regular wire nuts. Now you can get something that are waterproof wire nuts. Look at this. I thought I had some too. See this? See that right there? You put your wires through that, and that's called a weatherproof connector. Here they are. I've been carrying these around for years. My little bag with all my electrical fittings and stuff. I got extra wire nuts in there, and I got different things in here, and some stuff that I can use for pigtails and cover plates and stuff. And I've had these for years. I thought, am I ever going to use those? Well, I could use them here, couldn't I? See, this came out of that box. 20 count. That's for 22 gauge to 8 gauge. And I'll bet you it'll fit these over through there. And I could use those. But if I use those, I'm still going to take some electrical tape. I always carry electrical tape in my mail bag. Here it is. I'm just gonna tape it just like they did from before. I'm not really going to worry about it. This was been in the ground 25 years. Okay. They also have this tape is kind of like plasticky on the outside. They also have some electrical tape that's like cloth. You could use that if you want. If you had any questions, you go to the store and talk to the electrical in the electrical department. Look for a salesperson. Ask them what they would recommend. I'm not telling you you have to use this type of wire nut, or you can or cannot use regular wire nuts that you would in your house and put regular electrical tape around them. That's what I'm going to do, because that's what they've done years ago. Okay, and they just wrapped it, and they just made sure, you know, this is pretty much weatherproof, is it not? All the way up to there. You know, that if you talk to anybody and you ask them, is regular electrical tape weatherproof underground for 20 years, is that per code? It's probably, you'll get an answer of no, that's not per code. You can't do that. You shouldn't be doing that. You could burn something out. You could get some moisture inside there, and the wire could corrode, and you could have a spark, and it could shut your power off, and you're going to have to dig and find which one is it to your 20 different light fixtures you have in your landscaped area. I'm just telling you what I'm going to do. I don't really think there's going to be an issue. Am I even going to use these? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to use these. I may not. Where else would you need those? You know, usually I would say in exterior metal boxes, like if you're doing something under a deck or something like that, or whatever, you want to, and you're afraid you're going to get some moisture inside your metal box, could you use one of those? I guess. Because more times than not, where else are you going to use these that are going to be outside, where you're going to have exposed wires out to the elements? You're not, in my judgment. So I'm not even quite sure where you would put these. Okay, but if, like I say, if I want I might do that here or not. Okay, you get to decide. If you have any questions, you can Google it. You can look at however many videos on YouTube you want, or you can go down to your closest, nearest hardware store, talk to somebody there, ask them if you're really questioning what to do or what not to do. Just know that, hey, you can do it. You can do it. You don't have to pay somebody else. You pay a regular landscaper to come out here, he's going to charge you thousands of dollars to it, and guess what? He's probably going to use the same type of wire nuts there and the electrical tape. You're not even going to know the difference, except you're going to be out $1,500, $2,500 for your whole electrical system that you could have done on your own and saved all that money, except for a little bit of material. Mainly it's labor. That's what you're paying for when you ever have somebody come out to your house to do anything. That's why I'm making all these videos for you, to save you money around the house.